Step 1. To apply to an internship, open your web browser and go to www.switchidea.com. Step 2. Find the login option in the top right corner of your screen and then click on that. Step 3. A login window will pop up. Fill in your login credentials. Step 4. Once you're done with that, click on the login button. Now you will be taken to the student dashboard. Step 5. You will be able to see a number of internships posted on this page. You can use the filters to narrow down your search. Step 6. When you click on an internship post, you will be taken to another page where you will see all the details regarding the internship. Step 7. Read all the details carefully. Understand what the company is looking for and if you can fit in there. Step 8. On the bottom, there is an Apply button. If you wish to apply to that internship, then click on this button. Step 9. This is the most important step. You will see a box where you need to type in a cover letter. Draft your cover letter properly. You can use any of the samples which are available for every internship post. You can get an idea of how to compose a cover letter from these samples. Step 10. Write your cover letter properly. Pay attention to the grammar. List out your certifications, experiences and interest regarding the internship. Step 11. Once you're done with writing your letter, click on the Apply button. You're done. You can apply for multiple internships. Good luck.